Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Gracie Taylor here, and today we're making a BLT lettuce wrap. Go ahead and like, subscribe for more videos. So today's BLT is a little different. Like I said, we're going to be making a BLT lettuce wrap instead of the bread. So the ingredients that we're going to use today is lettuce. I choose to use romaine lettuce. We also need parchment paper. We need salt and pepper for taste, a tomato, mayonnaise, and bacon. So I've already gone ahead and made our bacon. You can either use it on the stovetop, do it on the stovetop, or in the oven. It's up to you. I chose to do it in the oven today. And you're gonna need some parchment paper. So with the lettuce, we're gonna go ahead and take it apart, and we're going to use the best lettuce that we can find. Just gonna go ahead and lay it down on the parchment paper. We're gonna go ahead and use as much lettuce as possible. Go ahead and lay it down. I like to play with the length and size. You're trying to just make a very nice base for your sandwich. Go ahead and layer that up. Just try to make it as nice and structured as possible because we are going to roll it. The reason why I'm taking off some of the end bits is because I want to make sure that it's also pliable so that we're able to wrap it. So just be mindful of that. So we're going to go ahead and add our mayo. Oh. We're gonna go ahead and add our bacon. I chose to do 4 strips. You can use as many as you like. We're going to go ahead and add our tomato. We're going to go ahead and use our herb sea salt. I got this one from Costco. It is infused with organic herbs and vegetables, and it's a really good flavorful option. Go ahead and sprinkle some of that in there. And some black pepper, of course. And then now time for the wrapping portion. So we're gonna go ahead and try to take the edge, and we're going to tuck it underneath the other part of the sandwich, of the wrap. Try to get it underneath the lettuce. So we're gonna go try to get it as tight as possible. Making sure to get it all in there. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it as tight as possible. Whoops. Go ahead and tuck it right back in there. What we're gonna also do is get the edges involved. So as you see, things are just coming out at the edge. So what we're gonna do is we're going to add more parchment paper to it. Just make sure that when you have it together, it's intact. sometimes it's a, you know, it's a makeshift. So as you go along, you'll know how much you need, and the more that you do it, you'll also be able to figure it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it, the ends in. Just be careful to tuck the ends in, because that's what we were trying to do before. Trying to make it as tight as possible. And there you have it. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it now. Just using a bread knife, we're gonna cut it down the middle. We're also gonna just add some toothpicks just to keep everything together. And there you have it, your BLT wrap. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this one as much as I like it as well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.